Okay, here we go. In this video, what we're going to be doing is just really quickly looking at how the reimplementation of the Theora texture object as a bitmap texture object utilizes texture delegates. Delegates are very important in regards to this application. I highly recommend you Google C++ delegates for an understanding of delegates and fast delegates and therein. Basically, it's the utilization of member function, member method, class method function pointers, or I guess method pointers in this case, as an easy way of controlling not only overriding, but controlling class interoperability. It's very useful and it's very fast. The author of Torque3D did not re-implement fast delegates. Fast delegates were taken from a different project. So if you look at the code in the fast delegate section, you'll probably find yourself not recognizing the syntactical mechanisms the author uses, as opposed to the actual Torque3D engine source code. But still, I mean, it's good code. I looked through it. It's pretty impressive actually. What else? Oh yeah, okay, so in order to use delegates, in order to use fast delegates, you have to actually, I guess, bind a delegate to a specific behavior. So this is how you do it. Here we're looking at the name text target class. If we look at bitmap texture object here, which is the C++ source code we're looking at here, these are complementary. In the source code itself here, you can see mtextTarget.getTextureDelegate.bind. We're binding with this and the delegate, the function pointer. This is actually a method pointer to the function text delegate. So this isn't a member. This is a member, or this is a method. This is actually a function in the class. So you see the bind there. This is very important. You can't do basically any operation in the signaling and notify stuff without a bind. So if we look down here, like I said, we are in the bitmap texture object class. You can see we have a bitmap texture, where a bitmap texture is, hold on, where did that file go? Is it on this side? Where's bitmap texture.h? One second, I'm opening a window here. Bitmap texture frame. Where's bitmap texture? Bitmap texture frame. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. It's not mbitmap texture. I'm sorry. We're actually supposed to be looking at mTextTarget, which is a name text target. This is basically the interface we're using to actually bind and get delegates. Of course, we can implement this differently if we want. That's not really a big problem. But here we have a name text target. So we go back into, where is it? Name text target. And here you can see where the delegate is actually created. So in the name text target, which is this, it's going to get the texture delegate, which is basically this function right here. You see text delegate, get texture delegate, mtext delegate, which is defined in this class as a text delegate down here. And text delegate is type def. That last thing that we had, or I'm sorry, that last member we had that we were looking at, is a text delegate. Text delegate is defined here as a delegate. And delegates are defined in, I believe, delegate.h. Yep, delegate.h, which utilizes fast delegates. Fast delegates, like I said, the author did not write this. All the code and the actual class definitions are here. The delegate is just a fast delegate, so if you want to actually figure out what that is, go back in here. In a separate video I talked about how there were a whole bunch of different delegates and definitions and stuff, but you can kind of see here that delegate is a fast delegate. So let's go back. So the delegate here has a cast to G texture object U32. Now it's important to look at this. Look at that because this has to match up with, where is it? I think it is underscore text. Oh, actually here, this bitmap texture object text delegate. So let's go to definition. You can see that this right here is exactly the same in terms of definition. U32 index, GFX texture object. It is nearly identical. Hold on, go back. Oh no, where'd it go? Is this name texture target? Yeah, it is. It is almost identical. Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah, it is almost identical to this, or exactly identical. GFX texture object here, pointer, U32. GFX texture object pointer, U32. So you see the delegates have to match a specific parameter set. And these parameter sets can be found in the delegates. In this case, we're passing an unsigned 32-bit integer as an index. Whereas we could pass a void, or we could pass, whatever type of data structure that we want through here, as long as it matches the text delegate parameter passing syntax. So hopefully this short video will kind of give you an idea of what delegates are and how to use them. Once you have a delegate, you can set it up in Notify. You can actually utilize it for a variety of purposes. But where is it? Get texture delegate, find all references. Where is it? It wasn't bind, it was hold on. Texture object. Text delegate. Where did it go? There's notification, but that's from a different thing. I think this is called automatically, actually, after you bind it. This is different than the implementation that I'm working on, whereas it would be called through Notify. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, those are the only two references in here. So I believe it's bind, and then as soon as it's bound, then every time there's a frame event, I guess, maybe it's notified and then called. Okay, I think that's enough for this video. Once again, these videos are for my own personal use. If you find use for them, I'm happy for you. I do not guarantee any of the accuracy in this. I'm learning by going along. So the video should improve in quality as I learn more about the engine. But right now I have about 2 weeks into it. But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And if I'm the only one that watches it, hello me. Okay, how do I stop this damn thing? Goodbye, you.